farms are providing the spaces where communities are shaped into the future. The communities that we build there give strength and hope. And these are the spaces where we create the future.
And the Goetheanum is the place where we will have our agricultural conference from the 4th to the 7th February 2026. And the theme is about the communities for the future with the title, You Never Farm Alone.
The theme of our conference is about connection, about that community of human beings that relate to animals and plants and the cosmos, and to other human beings who are the ones who are trading with us, who are the ones who are buying our products. But also the farm is a place of healing. A social dynamic goes in farms that takes place where every human is transformed in the farm.
We will have three main areas for the conference. The first one is more about the economical relations. The second one is about integrating healing, pedagogical and arts activities. And the third one is how to build communities for research and knowledge. Each day we will start with exploring the Michael Letter, a text from Rudolf Steiner, where we learn a great and deep vision about the new type of communities. We will have many workshops, and we are sure that each one will find something very meaningful for him, and therein really we can learn how to build these new types of communities.
We live in a time of fragmentation and disillusionment. It seems that humans have to find spaces where they can develop their strength, their hope, going into the future.
You never farm alone. This is the theme of our conference, and we are looking forward to explore with you the social dimensions of biodynamics.